What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And on today's video we finally have the Galaxy S10 in-house and we're gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm pretty sure you have already seen numerous unboxing videos, but you haven't seen the S10 wireless charger unboxing video.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So without further ado, let's go ahead and crack this box open and see what we are presented with inside. We have, is this something? That is stuck inside there and I can't get it out. Oh well. So we have the phone itself here. Put that aside. Very sleek looking. I'm pretty sure you've seen millions of Galaxy S10s by now.
Well, duh.
This is the black version. I've always wanted a black version of a Samsung phone. Never had an opportunity to get one, and I finally have got one. So I like black. We have, with the black version, you get all black accessories, which is pretty top notch there. It's pretty cool. You have a black wireless charger. You have a black USB to Type-C adapter. You have your black cable there, your charging cable, which Type A to Type-C again cable. And you have some black AKG headphones, which are great. Let's go ahead and put that back. Let's go ahead and put this cable back, and the black charger, which is also great. There we go. Here we go. The pamphlet inside the box here. We have the warranty information, and that's about it. And we have our SIM injection tool there on the back, and the Samsung branding there. That is all. Let's take a quick look at the phone here. This is going to be a quick unboxing. I don't have any, I think I have to remove. Right off the back, feels great. This is a great size. This is the S10. It's not the S10 Plus. I didn't want to go with that big version and pay the extra money for the same features, just to get a little bit more battery and an extra little camera there. But this one looks good. This one feels great in hand, feels very premium, feels light, not too bad. Actually like the curvature on the screen here. It's very subtle, it's not too curved like on before devices. But let's take a quick tour here. We have our headphone jack down below, which is awesome. We have Type-C power jack there. We have our mic and our speaker. We do have stereo sounding speaker from the one bottom firing speaker, and the earpiece on top, and there is the earpiece. On the right side of the device we have our power button. On the left side of the device we have our Bixby button that can now be remapped to anything you like, and our volume rocker. And on the top we have our SIM tray and another mic on top. On the back we have that triple camera. We have a regular telephoto and wide angle camera, along with the heart sensor and the flash there. And as you can see, there's no fingerprint sensor on the back because it is inside the display, which is awesome. So there you have it. Just want to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 wireless charger with phone capabilities. Anyways, I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of this. I just wanted to get mine out there. Quick unboxing, guys. Leave a comment in the section below if you have any questions regarding this device. I'm gonna go ahead and power it up, and then I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough and setup video on the next one. Thanks for watching again. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.